Hello kid, today we are going to learn how we can be safe while eating or drinking something. Well, so let's start with our game of how you can be a superhero. So it was winter vacation and your cousins Rahul and Neha had come over for playing with you. So after playing, your cousin Rahul told that he was feeling very hungry. So what did you say? You said him to go to the kitchen and have something. So your cousin went to the kitchen for searching for food. Well, when he reached there, he saw here and there all the cupboards. He was continuously searching so that he can get something to satisfy his hunger. Well, cupboard was not in his reach. He couldn't reach up to the cupboard, so he tried all the ways possible. He jumped, he went onto the slab to get the food, but it was still not in his reach. So then, what did he do? He started finding food in the cupboards below. So, after searching, Rahul found something in the cupboard below. He saw a bottle of liquid and he was super happy. Finally, he thought he has got a bottle of milk that he could have and satisfy his hunger. Well, what do you think? Was it a correct thing to drink? Because it was stored in a cupboard somewhere, maybe for a very long time. Do you think Rahul should have drank it himself, or do you think he should have asked his parents before drinking the milk? Let's see what Rahul did. Well, he was so hungry that without asking anybody, he just drank the milk. But after that, the taste felt very strange and he got scared because he knew how the milk tastes, but this was not resembling it. So he got worried. He didn't know what to do. So what would you do if you were in his place? Would you have sat like that, worried? Or would you have gone to your parents and asked for their help? Let's see what Rahul did then. So after a while, what happened was Rahul started feeling dizzy and uncomfortable. And there he sat all alone without even informing anybody. But on the other hand, it had been a long time. So you thought, where was Rahul? You could not see him anywhere. Finally, you came into the kitchen searching for him. And there you saw him sitting in a corner. So you went up to Rahul and asked, what happened? Are you okay? You did not come back for a very long time. And seeing you, what Rahul said was, you should not tell this to your mom that he had drank this bottle of liquid and he didn't know what was that. So he was very scared that if his mom finds out about this, then he would get a very big scolding. So what would you do over here? Well, after you took the bottle and tried to figure out what was it, would you do these options? Let's see what you can do over here extraordinarily to save your cousin from this ordinary difficult situation. So, in option 1, would you drink the liquid yourself and try to find out what was it? Do you think this is a correct option? Obviously not. Why? Because you can see your cousin has already fallen sick after drinking this liquid. So, what if you might also fall sick after having it? Hence, you should never ever have the same drink which has caused him sickness already. So, this is not at all a correct option. Hence, you should not drink it and ensure that you are safe from drinking something which you don't know about. So, after this, what is the correct option to do? The correct option is to call your mom as soon as possible and tell her this is the situation. Exactly that is what you did. And just like a superhero, you went up to your mom and told her everything. Though your cousin Rahul had told you not to tell this to anybody since he was scared he will get a scolding, but you knew that in this kind of situations, the parents are the best people who can help you out. They can tell you what was the thing which you should not have drank and what needs to be done if by mistake you have drank it already. So then let's see what happens when you inform a senior in this kind of situation. So once you have informed your mom, she called the doctor and he came and gave medication to Rahul. And then finally your cousin was totally fine and out of danger. Hence, just like a superhero, not only yourself but you have made your cousin safe in this kind of difficult situation. And if you had not informed your mom, then your cousin may have been in a critical condition, even hospitalized. So this should not be done at all. Whenever you are in this kind of situation, make sure you always inform your parent so that you along with your cousin is always safe. Let's see this. What does it look like? Doesn't it look like berries or some sweets? But let me tell you, these are not at all eatables. You should not eat anything about which you don't know. Let's see another example. What does this look like? Colorful candies, right? But let me tell you, these are very serious pills and medicines which should always be taken only and only if a doctor prescribes you or a parent gives you for some illness. So you should never ever try to have this. Always ask your parent before having anything so that you are sure of what you are having and you are safe in all kind of situations. Don't we all see these liquids around our home? But do you think whatever liquid is there in our home, we should have it? Absolutely not. Why? Because there may be many liquids at home which are meant for cleaning purposes and they can be very, very harmful if you go and have them. Even you might be in a severe condition. So whenever you find a bottle of liquid, ask your parents whether it's edible or not and only then have it. So let's see what are the do's and the don'ts in these kind of situations. First and foremost, don't drink or eat anything without asking your parents, because you might eat or drink something which is totally non-consumable and you may end up falling sick. So the second thing is, don't keep secrets from parents. If, for example, like Rahul, you have drank or eaten something about which you're not sure, then of course tell it to your parent. Never ever keep it as a secret, because that might not ensure your safety. And third point is, don't drink or eat anything unknown. So if you don't know what is the food or drink that you are having, never ever have it. Please make sure that you ask your parent or a senior before having anything. Now let's see what are the do's. Well, always ask your parents before eating or drinking anything unknown, because this will make sure that whatever you are having will not make you fall sick, and finally you will be safe. Always inform your parents if you see your sibling eating or drinking something which you know is wrong or bad. Like for example, in the last story, how you have informed your mom and not listening to your cousin. That is the ideal thing to do in this kind of situation. So make sure you always go up to your parents and tell them if something has gone wrong with a sibling. And the last point is, always tell them if you ate or drank something that you felt wasn't right or could harm you. So at the end, I would always like to request you that always remember these safety tips And always ask your parents before having something. So in that way, you can always ensure that you are safe after having anything that you want to. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So register for free now.